My brothers, my sisters, the world has changed. The world has changed. And it will keep on changing. And sometimes things happen that make it change so quickly, so dramatically, that you need to pause for a moment to think about where you were just a few years ago. I give you an example. When I was little, in the 50s and 60s, just before I was little, should I say, do you know the phone, the telephone, forget about the mobile phone, forget about video calling, forget about all of that, just the telephone was only for privileged people. If you wanted to send a message across the country, you needed to book a call. You actually needed to probably go to the post office. You needed to, if you needed to send an urgent message, there was something called a telegram and a telex at some point. A telex was supposed to be advanced, and they had to type out little letters. You paid per letter. So they already started the abbreviating from that time, condensing. But the world changed. The world changed. I remember